Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nugra. I am from Geological Engineering Study Program at Gorontalo State University. I will present analysis of earthquake point distribution in Tojo Una Una District, Central Sulawesi Province. Next, introduction. Indonesia is located between two continents, namely the Australian continent and the Asian continent, as well as two oceans, namely the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. So that Indonesia has abundant natural resources, wells such as natural gas, petroleum, metal and high biodiversity, and has a diverse natural landscape such as lakes, mountain, lowlands, tropical rainforests, and rainforests. However, this location also has a negative impact to Indonesia because it is located about subduction route of three tectonic plates, namely the Pacific in the east, the Indonesian Australian Ocean plate, and the Eurasian continental plate. One of the areas in Indonesia that is prone to earthquake disaster in the province of Central Sulawesi, where this area is traversed by several faults, one of which is the Palu Koro Fault. In the eastern part of the province, there is Tojo Una Una Regency, which has quite a lot earthquake points ranging from small scale to a large scale. Next method. 1. Preparation stake. This stake includes activities such as determining debt needs. 2. Data collection. That collection was carried out by studying literature from journal, books, and other information using valid literature. Where in this research the USGS website was cited as the main source over a period of the last 10 years. 3. Date proposing. The date obtained in started according to the topic of discussion, which is presented the form of writing, table, and image, which are expected to provide information and understanding to reader. 4. Data analysis. The data is sorted according to research topic, and then a report is prepared based on the data that has been obtained to strengthen the research result. 5. Report creation stake. The data has been processed and analysis is written in the form a report. Next, discussion. Based on data taken from the United States Geological Survey or USGS website, it shows that the distribution pattern of earthquake in Tojo Una Una Regency has varying magnitude starting from magnitude 3, but only a few on the map it shows magnitude 4, which is more dominant. However, and apart from that, there are also those with magnitude 5 which have almost the same incidence of events as those with magnitude 4, and there are also those with magnitude 6. Next, based on the research carried out, no one has specifically discussed the geology of Tojo Una Una Regency. From previous research, But seen from the map of the Indonesian geological sheet, the Tojo Una Una Regency area is included two geological sheets, namely mostly the Poso sheet and the Batui sheet, Center for Geology Indonesia. The stratigraphy of Tojo Una Una Regency is composite of rocks ranging from Holocene, Pliocene to Cretaceous ages. Next, there are several factors that make this area more prone to earthquake, including 1. The area is located in an active seismic zone, so it is prone to tectonic activity, which can cause earthquake. 2. This area is characterized by steep hills covered with wet red rock, which can increase the possibility of landslides and other types of land movement. 3. Judging from the tectonic distribution in central Sulawesi, this district is located near several active faults, including the Balansa fault, which is the cause of recent earthquake in the area and is also located near the Batui fault. Based on analysis by the Center for Volcanology and Geological Disaster Mitigation, or PVMBG, the geological structure of Tojo Una Una Regency is expressing a weathering process, namely loose, soft, and not solid. So this condition becomes worse when an earthquake occurs. Next, conclusion. 1. The distribution pattern of earthquake in Tojo Una Una Regency has a quite varied magnitude. The quake points in this area are spread throughout, but the earthquake points are more dominant in the coastal area adjacent to Poso Regency. 2. Tojo Una Una Regency has a tectonic settings that is close to several faults such as the Batui Fault, and is also surrounded by several other faults which can indirectly cause earthquake in Tojo Una Una Regency. 3. Tojo Una Una Regency has a tectonic settings that is close to several faults such as Batui Fault, and is also surrounded by several other faults which can indirectly cause earthquake in Tojo Una Una Regency. It can also be seen from the condition of the slopes and the geological structure of the land, which experience weathering, which will worsen if shocks occur. That's all my presentation. Thank you.